Taniel, you're ready? Because
Yes.
it's about access to Japanese know-how on the market. And I think that's the Japanese companies are quite interesting. So we have big automotive players, but we have also big battery players. And Taniel, the floor is yours. You have 4 minutes. And 4 minutes Q&A afterwards. Thank you.
Good. Yeah, thank you very much. Good afternoon or good evening. It depends where you are in the world. So thank you so much for TraWeBa. My name is Taniel Süslüyan. Thanks for this event and all your participation. I'd like to introduce you today the Japanese company GlobalTech, who is a specialist in evaluating batteries dedicated for electric vehicle as well for BESS. Yeah, as Robert said before, rechargeable batteries and reduction of CO2 is an international topic, so needless to tell all of you. And even it is a global interest, the main players are the majority, I don't say still, but the majority in Asia, including Japan, as one of the pioneers in rechargeable battery technologies. In Europe, we have the challenge, especially the car industry, I would say, to catch up producing batteries. But I worry without consulting with experienced partners, it will be quite difficult. On the other side, if you like to enter with your new materials or processes, innovations to the Japanese market, again, it is helpful to have a local partner. So I just recognized I didn't move on with the presentation. I'm sorry for that. So in the last 20 years, we at GlobalTech built a wide network in the Japanese battery society. So we are working with a well-known battery as well car OEMs. So some of you might be interested, who are they? But I'm sorry to say, due to our company policy, I can't really mention our client names, but you can be sure you know some of them because they are quite large. The company structure and especially our engineers are all coming from the battery industry. So our managing director, for example, was for centuries the head of a giant Japanese battery OEM. So we know how difficult it is or how challenging it is to develop and produce stable, performing, and safe batteries with a good yield. So if you have innovations on batteries and or submaterials and like to enter the Japanese market, we can test the effectiveness of your solution within our 2 large laboratories we have in Japan. So fact that GlobalTech is the market leader in Japan for evaluating batteries, our report might be well recognized document for your Japanese clients. On the other side, for example, if you assemble cells to battery packs and using cells from Asian manufacturers, we can as well test the cells in our laboratories in Japan, which is much more closer than bring all the cells from Asia towards to Europe for testing them. And finally, if you like to become or on the way to become a new battery manufacturer, we can as well support you during your development milestones, as we do with all our Japanese clients using our deep know-how and experiences. So we are here to support you developing your battery product and helping to bring evidences to make your solutions attractive and convincing to the Japanese market, but also worldwide, the markets interested in batteries. So please contact me at GTS Energy Solution in Düsseldorf, which is the subsidiary of GlobalTech outside of Japan. and let's discuss how we can support you. Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank you. Very nice person. You should have moved your presentation. I think it's very important. But I think the key message came through. If somebody's out there who wants to have access to the Japanese markets, talk to Taniel. I think that's an easy message. And you guys also looking to come to Germany or to Europe, correct? In order for manufacturing.
Exactly. So we built this subsidiary in the beginning of last year, and we are now talking with different partners on the equipment side, as well on the location side, where we can build our first laboratory outside of Japan. So it might be within Germany or close to Germany. That is my aim. Yes.
Yes. So I think it's a message maybe to TraWeBa or the ACOD. Contact Taniel to get him close to the website. Okay. Any questions to Taniel?